Ranane ban kapong erike bibedisin ta fifty kids one nude chukis video side videos. Welcome. Thank you for watching and supporting our Chukis video side videos. So please um, don't forget to subscribe button and the notification button. Also, please don't forget to share our videos to your friends and families. So let's start watching our fashion beauty basic tutorial. Kirisao Zabur. So welcome back again to our YouTube video. I would like to ask you to come along and join me while I am learning how to do my makeup tutorial. So first I do this so I can see where I will draw my eyebrow. So I would draw from right here. First I would draw my eyebrow right there, and then I would just see how I draw it from right there. That's where I'm gonna do. And then same thing with the other one. I would draw as kind of my light. Right there. So looks like it's all from this side, so I will draw it nicely so I know where to aim it to. So how do you do your eyebrow? This is how I do mine. This is how I do mine. So this one is Brow Beater. Brow Beater, this is what you call this Brow Beater. It's kind of purple. You buy this from Ulta. So second one is I like to use this after I draw my eyebrow. Like it has three teeth. I would say teeth. It has three, so it can comb at the same time. You can comb it with your eyebrow. See how easy it is when I apply it through my eyebrow now. See? Just so easy to drag my, just fix my eyebrow. See? And then let's see this one. So from here I will start from the inside out and just all the way to the end. So my brother just inboxed me asking me if I don't make any tempura. So this one, I usually do that to my eyebrows. So I do that. My goodness. Let's try finish it up with this. And last one I use this. So think this one is too. I have to fix this one because I think that one is too kiddo. So I have to fix it again. Like from there. See how I'm fixing my eyebrow? See how I'm learning and I'm still, I was trying to aim it on here. Hi.